And for those viewers who are technically, that is, information technology specialists, or at least acquainted with the information technology field, that early Atari 8-bit programming language was similar to most versions of BASIC, but there were areas that were different, and that they seemed to promote a lot of innovative thinking, and it made it so that you didn't depend on third-party utilities or applications when you're coding programming logic. And because of this, what's unique about the automatic Evelyn web version is that the application was developed solely in Notepad without the use of any kind of Visual Studio or other third-party editor applications. And so it's also utilizing a data system that is practically hack-proof, because, again, it doesn't depend on professional database systems like SQL Server or Microsoft Access. It's got its own database storage and retrieval system that's almost impeccably reliable. So this is where the Atari upbringing, although people consider the Atari a game machine, it actually was advanced with its programming language in certain ways, and it's unfortunate that it wasn't really promoted further back in the day. But that's one of those things. It's just past history, but it still lives on in automatic Evelyn. So that's all I wanted to mention about that.